Okay, so once again, this is another Judge Manning case, a TPO between two mothers because their daughters had a confrontation. One of the daughters alleged was jumped on, and just look at Judge Manning body language. Sometimes she don't want to sit between this cackling calls of a courtroom. Is you said, she said, but it's a lot of evidence. That's why I'm doing the video. If it wasn't evidence, I wouldn't even put the video out. It is interesting. People love drama, and I'm here to bring the drama to you. Nevertheless, for people that don't know me, this is Antonio with Tiggio, Team Tiggio. Like, comment, subscribe. As we dropping heat on this channel, YouTube doesn't always recommend my videos, so you're going to have to hit that notification bell if you are interested in this type of content. Nevertheless, let's dive into the content, and I'll come back with my commentary soon.
All right, got Ms. Clark and Ms. Glenn.
Here, Your Honor.
All right, both of y'all raise your right hands. Y'all swear affirm testimony you're about to give is the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth.
Is.
Okay. All right, everybody, let's not talk over each other. Ms. Clark, start from the beginning. So, like, I need specifics, this date and time and what happened, or at least the approximate date. If you can't remember if it was December 1st, December the 3rd, just put the beginning of December, and then you got to tell me specifically what was done. Okay, thank you for being so patient. Go ahead.
All right, Your Honor. The most recent situation that I had was the last time we was in court. Ms. Glenn shared information of mine that I know for a fact that she had someone go into the government system to inform her of that information. In another proceeding dealing with that matter, because the young lady was fired due to my due to the investigation. We started this case due to Ms. Glenn having my daughter jumped on back in, I can say, I want to say September or October, Your Honor. I got video footage and everything. Only thing Ms. Glenn requested from the judge was that my kids don't be in her house. As of then, my kids have not been in contact with their father, so they have not been in her car. They have not been in her home. It have been quiet besides that situation with Ms. Glenn having a young lady tap into the government system to tell her where I work. I recommend that you keep my restraining order going because I am in fear of my life because Ms. Glenn seems to have it out for me and my children. So, yeah.
So it's been that one situation. So tell me about it, Ms. Glenn. Why was there, what happened there?
After you denied it, and Drina went down there again, saying that I had her daughter jump, which is a lie. Okay, I asked the judge, can he just stop her for saying, because I told the judge when her kids speak to me, she whooped them for, speaking to me, saying don't speak to me while they with her. And when they come over here, she called and be like, okay, I'm just making sure you ain't left them with her. Oh, I don't want them around her. So I asked the judge, if she don't want her kids around me, can you just tell her to stop sending them over here? If that's her problem, because I don't mind them her kids, you don't want them speaking to me, you don't want them around me, cool, keep them away from around me and not my car. The judge said, okay, keep out for contact. I can show you a DM after we left court. A girl DM me asking me, did I say in court that, and she told me Andrina information, which is a lie. I don't know what Andrina work at. I don't know nothing about Andrina. Andrina stalked me, what you know. Can you share my screen where I can show you when the girl asked me, did I say something about her in court? Can you share it? Go to my screen. I have it right here. Andrina making this up.
Well, you have to share the screen. I can't share it. You have to do it.
Okay, how do I share it?
There's a part that says share screen. It should be at the bottom. I don't know. You're on a phone. There should be something that says share screen.
Your Honor, can I speak?
Now, hold on, let me share. Is it sharing now?
No, you have to click on the three dots on the bottom of your screen there on the right-hand side, I believe. And you should see your screen. If you don't see it at the beginning, click on more options.
I got show content screen. Okay. Zoom start broadcast. Is it showing?
It says sharing your screen, but I don't know what it doesn't.
You are
Sharing your screen, you got to pick
Now we
which
can
one
see
you
it.
This what the girl asked me. She said, you told Andrina I gave you her information. What information? I got fired.
So who is this text between?
This text is from a girl, Andrina, and her
The young
friend.
lady who gave her my information was fired.
Who is this text is between you, Miss Glenn, and who?
This between me and this girl named Brianna.
Okay, so I can't consider this though, because that person's not here. So you can take that down.
This after is my, can you stop sharing my screen now? How I stop sharing my screen?
You kind of got to do it.
Okay, hold on.
All right, stop.
Okay. Andrina making this up. I never said nothing in court about I know what she work at. What she saying, that's a lie. Andrina did that after the fact that we left court. Andrina doing this to have everybody messed up. The girl who wrote me, she have a baby by our kid's father friend. Also, Andrina friend have her baby by him too. Her and Andrina both harassed us because we went still with our kid's father. I don't talk to this to her or nothing like that. I only see her if we all come around. We speak and then see. I don't know her phone number. I gave her my number when she wrote me on Instagram because this is a lie, which the girl said is a lie. She don't know nothing about Andrina. Andrina did that on her own. What Andrina doing is trying to have everybody messed up, put out, and locked up, all because we still with our kid's father. But that girl Brianna, I don't know her like that. I just know that she got a baby by the friend. And after you denied it, Andrina, and after you did it, Andrina constantly keep coming down here. She came down here on my sister. She did it because she said just because that's my sister. She had her mama to come down here on me and everything. Andrina just keep bothering me. It's a new year. I don't have time for these.
Your Honor,
and Andrina making it up. I don't know nothing about Andrina.
Your Honor, the young lady was fired due to my file through the government were investigated. And they said they will be able to tell if this young lady even looked into my file without my permission, because no need for you to be looking in my food stamp file, letting Miss Glenn know from the last time we was in proceedings. Time worker, and she was a full-time mom, her exact words. That there had, because Your Honor, I live a private life. I don't be on social media. I don't hang around groups of people, groups of girls. So when she shared that information, and I knew this same young lady had harassed a friend of mine who she's talking about has a kid, has harassed my friend food stamp case and had her food stamps taken off. They was put back on. So when I called and had my file investigated, it came out that that lady has been in my file, in my record, and they dismissed her. They fired her. So that's why she reached out to Miss Glenn, because I informed them that important information of mine was shared in my last.
This is all about the two of you. From what it sounds like Judge Cooper needs to hear from you guys because he has more about what's going on.
No, exactly. He didn't listen. You listen.
Exactly. That's why he kept it going on, Your Honor. He wanted to keep it going on. And he told me if there's anything else to let it be known at the next court proceeding. I must say that's the only thing that had happened since then. My children have not been in her car. My kids have not had contact with their father. It's been great. But that's the only thing that
I'm not trying to keep these kids from having contact with their father, but I guess the father is with Miss Glenn.
Yes, and I'm okay with that. I'll raise my kids alone. I don't want to put them on child support, nothing. I'm okay.
Hold on. Go ahead, Miss Glenn.
When we went to court, what Andrina saying wasn't none of that presented at court. Andrina didn't call that girl job until after we left court.
Is not part of this. This is the two of you.
Okay, but Andrina is making all this up. She just told the judge that her boyfriend allowed our kid's father to come over there. I said, if that's the case, cool. He can go over there and watch them. Just leave me alone. Andrina making it so this the only way Andrina could get my attention is coming to court. They say when they can't beat you or bully you, they put the police on you. And this was going on. I'm 5'2". Andrina 6'2", 6'3". Leave me alone.
I don't want to have to fight. I don't want to have to.
And I know she work a part-time job because she never at work. She harassed this man thinking she bothering me. I'm a full-time mom. I take care of my kids. What he do for my kids is extra. You trying to make me mad? You only hurt yourself.
How am I harassing him if he's not taking care of my kids?
Okay, so here's the thing so there are times when young ladies can have children, they got half siblings, and there are times when men are with somebody and they got children from different women. I mean, the situation is back and forth. So at no point in time should it become a big issue between the two ladies that when you got with them, and this whole.
And he not had several kids on her, but she bothered me because me and him.
My kids are older. I don't have to harass nobody.
No matter what, these kids, ladies.
I'm in a new relationship.
I mean, y'all don't have to get along. Y'all don't have to like each other. Exactly. And if there's a problem and some drama going on, it's like the women get mad at one another, but is it something?
Your Honor, she had my daughter jumped on. I don't want my daughter around her. She had my.
I already shared that. Okay, you say somebody told you that. Adrian, you say somebody told you I made a post that. I never said that.
All right, so here's what we're gonna do. Let's see.
She want to keep showing the same video. I don't even know the little girl who beat up the little girl.
Of her on social media bragging about having my daughter jumped on.
All right, we're gonna give y'all a little bit longer break apart. What's this?
Your Honor,
it's a new year. That she saw me like I told you.
So
here go Miss Glenn on social media stating that the little girl that jumped on my daughter understood the assignment. Here we go again. She saying, "I'm so glad my daughter know how to fight. I never had to worry about nothing. Win, lose, draw. Her daughter is gonna step. All because of this video Miss Glenn had of this young lady. This is my daughter on the ground, Your Honor. Miss Glenn has set this up for my daughter to be hurt, and no one have done nothing for my little girl, not even her own dad, standing with my little girl in this situation.
All right, so
I'm handling it the best way I can by coming to the court.
All right, here's what we're gonna do. So we're gonna extend this until May.
Thank you.
This taking time out my day. My
time. It'll expire in May. May the.
We're glad.
13th.
May 10th.
May 10th.
Excuse me.
It'll expire on May 10th. All right. We'll email it. Did we got everybody's email address?
Yes.
All right.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Y'all go ahead and leave. We'll send you copies of the order. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Okay, so a famous poet said this: everyone ain't your friend, everyone ain't your partner. Now, although one of the daughters did get, she was jumped, now the mothers are into it because, your mother is going to be that, that mama bear. She's going to be that person that's going to protect you. But everybody that comes into your life sometimes it's only for a season, and you got to understand that friendship has expiration dates. Even people that come into your life has expiration dates, so be on the lookout for that. Without further ado, thank you for all that come to the channel and subscribe, hit the notification bell. Thank you for everybody that support the channel, because it's definitely appreciated. We put a lot of work into these videos, and once again, you put it in the comments. Tell us how you feel about this. Do you think that this was, a case where they basically could have moved on, or do you think that this is one of those things where they needed to hash this out? Nonetheless, we'll see.